Hi, welcome to the Keto House. I'm April, and today I'm going to make you buffalo chicken dip. And at the very end, I'm going to try a brand new tortilla chip recipe that's only supposed to take 2 minutes. So let's do that together. So the first thing I'm going to do is get out my, I believe this is like a 9x9 copper nonstick pan. And I do have the link in the description below on that for Amazon if you want to pick one up yourself. I am going to start it on between 3 and 4. That would be like a medium-high heat. And go ahead and add my block of cream cheese. This recipe is a party favorite. I was actually requested to make this for a baby shower today. So I thought I would just cook it with you guys. Here is 2 cans of the chicken breast. Honestly, this is really the only recipe I use that for. But I might try it in a chicken salad recipe. If you have a good chicken salad recipe, please comment and I might try it. I'm going to stir it a little bit. I'm trying to melt the cream cheese. If you can wait till it's room temperature, that would be even better. But I never remember and I never can, so this is legit how I make it. But there's always better ways. I'll start to melt it down and separate it. Mix it in with the chicken. Okay. And while that is warming up, I don't even know if I have enough hot sauce. I never seem to have enough ingredients when I'm cooking, but I'm going to use Texas Pete's hot sauce. It's the best. I think it's the only one I'll use. I'm going to try to go for a cup. Oh, well, there's half a cup. That's not good because this is a Mexican baby shower, which is okay. They probably have plenty of hot sauce I can add to when I get there, or they can just add it to their own. But I was aiming to get a cup of it. That's normal for me. I'm always missing something. But in my defense, she asked me yesterday, and I had already done my grocery shopping. So this is still going to be good. And there's a good chance I could stop by the store and get it on my way over and just put it in and mix it up. That's just how you have to do things in my life. Okay, I'm going to keep mixing that up. I'm going to start rinsing off my dishes. I first learned to make this when I worked at the bank many years ago. And I loved it back then, and I love it today. It's a good staple. It's a good keto. Okay, so this is what it looks like right now. And I'm going to add the cheese in. I'm actually going to measure so I know what it is. Normally I just throw it in. Okay, I'm going to do 2 cups. There's with the cheese. And now we're going to mix it together. Okay, it's ready. This is the consistency of it. And this is what it looks like. Okay, for the tortilla chip recipe, all you need is one tortilla cut into triangles. I cut it 8 times. And then I went ahead and sprayed it with this non-stick coconut cooking spray on one side and salted it. I'm going to go ahead and spray the other side. And add my pink Himalayan salt. Okay, and he said put it in the microwave for about 1.5 minutes, and his was a 700-watt microwave, but I don't know what mine is. 1550, 1000. Okay, sorry. I don't normally look for that. I'm gonna do 1 minute and 20 seconds. Okay, let's see if this really worked. Well, I can see how they are hard right there, but not the edges. And he said I can put them in for additional time. So I think I'm going to try them for another 20 seconds. Rotate them around and try them for 20 more seconds. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and dip me out some of this buffalo chicken dip to give it a try with my new chip. Let's see. These are ready. Okay, they are pretty crispy. He says I need to let them sit for a couple minutes. Okay, so here are my tortilla chips. They look pretty good. They feel good. And I'm going to try it in my buffalo chicken dip. Amazing. Has a great crunch. And it does taste very good in my buffalo chicken dip. So, the buffalo chicken dip is always a great favorite. You can eat it with toasted fat bread. You can now eat it with tortillas. You can also eat it with celery and pork rinds. And as for the nachos, so many ideas. You can do so much with those. So enjoy, and thumbs up if you like the video, and please subscribe if you're new to the channel, and let me know how your tortilla chips turned out.